Hello, this is Liz with Overton, creator of the Divine AF Daily Affirmations and Manifestation Journal for Women. I wanted to do a quick walkthrough of this gorgeous journal to let you see a little behind the scenes sneak peek about what this is about. Now, I couldn't have done this without the gorgeous illustrations of the beloved Noharanda. I definitely love beautiful things, and of the women that have purchased this journal, one of the things that keeps coming through is they absolutely love the illustrations in this journal. They are absolutely divine. So thank you to Noharanda. Now, I want to talk about the power of your higher wisdom. Here's what I know to be true. You have a part of yourself that's non-physical. I like to call that your higher self, your higher power. You are an extension of Source. And when you connect with this aspect of yourself, you get online with the groundedness of the earth, the miracles of the heavens, and everything in between. And so you literally become a channel, which means you're grounded to the earth, you're connected to the heavens, and any intel, which is code for intelligence, that you need to manifest any desire that ever bubbles up from your soul will be possible for you, number one. Number two, your higher wisdom, your higher self, holds all of the answers that you will ever need. And so when you use a tool like this journal, what you're doing is you're shifting your frequency. You're shifting your energy from the typical default programming of woe is me, nothing ever works out for me. You have this, the volume of the inner critic, the judgmental, shoulding inner critic turned up really high. And working with a tool like this allows you grace, compassion, curiosity, creativity, and where once you saw blocks and barriers and problems, you start to attune to the frequency of openings, opportunities, experiences, expansion, and miracles, because that's what you came for. So nobody teaches us this stuff. Like, I had to learn this the hard way. I had a spiritual awakening at my favorite lake when I got a divine message from Source to create an oracle deck. And that was in 2018. And so what that taught me is that, dude, everything that you ever need is already within you. You just have to access that wisdom. And so this will help you connect with that wisdom. So there are 5 pages of what I call divine insight. I ask you very pointed, very intimate, very sacred questions to help you evaluate and start to reflect on your relationship with your higher wisdom. So just to give you a little taste of what this is about, it says your relationship with the divine is as much about creativity and curiosity as it is about supporting your most expansive self. The first question for you to chew on is this: when you think about your version of the divine, what comes up for you? What does a connection with the divine mean to you? And it's all of these, it's 5 pages of this awesome questions. And I'm in love with these angels that I have created using Daniela's illustrations. So, and then this is simply how to use this book. Daily Devotion with the Divine. You really want to carve out just 5 minutes is all it takes, my love. Sit quietly and set the intention to connect with your higher power. Of course, as we say in yoga, release any expectation of how it will go. This isn't an intellectual endeavor. This is a divine experience for you to connect with divine intel and your magical nature. So step 2 is to connect with the affirmation of the day. So this has 7 weeks of daily affirmations. That's 49 affirmations. So you could either go in chronological order, if you like order, or you could literally use this as an oracle and just open the book to whatever page resonates with you, and that could be your affirmation. Step 3 is take the affirmation in with all of your senses. Read the affirmation and allow it to wash over you. Literally, if all you did was read the words in this book, you will shift your frequency. And when you shift your frequency, you are more easily able to connect with divine intel that will help you with every maneuver, every single experience in your life, so that it is more fun, it's more expansive, it's more loving, it's more kind, it's hilarious. Because my version of the divine loves to cuss and has a kick-ass sense of humor. So, life is not meant to be all like squared up and tied up in a knot and just miserable. Like, no. Okay. Step 4, reflect on what the words mean to you. And here's really where the magic is. Step 5, pen several words or sentences about how the words strengthen your connection to your spiritual nature and how the energy or the words can support you in your day. What an affirmation means to me will be completely different to you, and that's the magic. That's the divine. You will receive exactly what you need in the moment. And working with this content will just strengthen your connection to the divine. And whatever you label that, whatever your version is. And this 6th step, map your manifestations on the blank dream pages. Pen in detail what you want, why you want it, and every emotion you will feel in the having of your desire. If you have ever worked with Joe Dispenza, he talks about elevated emotion. And if you want to manifest quickly and easily, you got to get the elevated emotion cranked up in the body. And this will help you do that. Okay, I'm a total data nerd. I love to graph things. I love to track things. So you're committing right here. I'm going to commit to daily journaling at least how many days a week over the next 7 weeks, and affirm it. Like, sign your name, write it in writing right here. And then this is the 7 days of the week 1 through 7. Just check off every time you work with this book. And how will journaling support your connection with the divine? Okay, so this is how it goes. Here's the first affirmation. I always make the best choices for my highest good. And then this is called Divine Insights. You can put the date. 3 things this affirmation means to me. It's just really to get the juices flowing, to get you to start opening up to something more expansive than you're typically used to. I choose curiosity over judgment. Oh my God, yes, more please. I am open to divine guidance. Show me the best next step. So this goes for a week, and then, of course, you have a dream and doodle page. Put down on paper, how are you feeling? Where are you living? Who are you talking to? What are you wearing? What are you saying? How are you feeling? Okay. And write it all in the present tense. I am so freaking stoked that I live on top of this badass mountain in Nepal. Like, whatever it is, write how you're feeling. Like, oh my God, my heart is so expansive. I feel so grounded. I feel so connected to all that is. You get this. You get the picture. And then it's important to record epic things that you notice, because it's so easy to forget. So every week you have highlights or insights, Monday, Tuesday, all the way through Friday. Write down things that you want to remember. Okay, so week 2, and it goes on and on and on. And then, this is magical. It turns out I also have an oracle deck called the Divine AF Affirmation deck. And I wanted a way to be able to share some of that magic with you in this journal. So I have included 10 of the cards with you and the gorgeous illustrations. I am listening along with the affirmation. I am open to divine guidance. Show me the best next step. Divine timing. There's no timeline. There's only this moment. Plus, your soul only keeps divine time. That means you are never ahead or behind on your journey. Only and always right on time for your soul's evolution. Can you honor that today? So that, my love, is the Divine AF. Daily Affirmations and Manifestation Journal for Women. I will end with this. You are Divine AF. You came here to have an incredible experience. And when you work with a fun, creative tool like this, it brings more joy, more miracles, more divine experiences into your life. And that, my love, is what you signed up for. So head on over to the Amazons. I'll put the link below the video so that you can secure yourself this incredible tool for yourself. Get one for your bestie. And then also, you can also, if you're into Oracle decks, check out the Divine AF Oracle deck. 44 cards to uplift your divinity and your spiritual nature. Okay, until next time, sending you lots of love, lots of grace, and for the love of all that is holy, please remember to dance in the rain and stargaze on the regular. Okay, ciao.